Hello and welcome to this video on how to create YouTube Basic Creation 101. This is for you if you've been struggling with creating video. Can you relate to this? You've started doing some video and you don't know what you're doing, you're frustrated, it's not coming out the way you want. Or maybe you haven't started, you feel intimidated by video. You're afraid how you're gonna look, how you're gonna sound, even what to say. Can you relate to any of this? I would love to hear right now from you, if you're listening to this video, what's your struggles with video so I can address them in future videos. So please write it down below. So what I'm going to show you today is some basics, so simple that you can already start it now and make it easy for you. The good news is nowadays it's no cost to you, very simple to do, and you can get quality video on your smartphone, and all you need to do is have some lighting. Now you don't need any special lighting. You can get great lighting on Amazon, but you don't need that. All you need is maybe some back lighting, a good back window, and some in the front. Right now I'm using a lamp that costs $20, and you can move the lamp any way you want to have some good lighting. You definitely don't want it dark. If you've seen dark video, it's not appealing. The consumer is not going to stay and watch your video. They want to have good visual of you. So that's number one. And of course, test your audio. Make sure your audio is on well. I know that sounds like a simple little thing, but little things like that will make a difference. People need to hear you and see you well. You need to be centered in your video. Right now, to be centered and looking at you, I'm looking into the teeny little eye on the phone. To me, it's to the left now of my phone, and it looks like I'm looking at you. If I look straight into the phone, notice that my eyes don't look like they're looking at you, so I have to go right back to that teeny little eye on the phone. A lot of people don't know that, and it looks like they're looking away. So it seems a little weird at first, and that's the thing about creating video. It'll feel awkward, but as you practice and just do some fun videos just to get used to it. I know the first time I did video, just introducing myself, I was stumbling over the words, and I go, "Hi, I'm Ruth Stern, and I'm a..." and then I'd forget what I was going to say, or I'd go blah or something, and you just play with it because you're going to feel nervous at first. It feels weird, but I can already give you one tip here. One of the ways to feel more comfortable with just doing video is imagine that you're talking to one person, probably your ideal client, and you're just having a conversation, and you want to share some really good information that's going to help them. It gets you more at ease, and it's going to help you be more authentic. And that's the most important thing in making a good video. Be the authentic you. If you want to use humor, fine. If you have some slip-up words, keep them in. I do. You know, I've been adjusting my shirt or fixing my hair sometimes. I don't edit that out. I just keep it in. I keep in some mistakes too. Unless it's really off the wall, I don't edit it out. Real is good. People want real. They want to know the real you. They want to know that you're just like them because you are. So those are some tips, real quick tips on just how you show up on the video. The second thing is what do you say on the videos? Well, whether you are a coach, a therapist, a practitioner, number one, obviously be clear who your tribe is, and the more specific, niched you are, the better. So instead of saying just women entrepreneurs, mine are heart-centered entrepreneurs who want to build a six-figure income. That's specific. Instead of saying I'm a chiropractor and I heal pain, I'm a chiropractor and I help heal lower back pain. Very niched, because the more niched you are, the easier it is for people to find you. Because remember, YouTube and Google are the two top searched engines. People are looking for how to. They're looking for information to do something. So they're not looking if somebody has pain, they're not saying how to heal pain. They're going to put in how to heal my ankle pain, or how to heal my sciatic pain. They get specific, and you want to have those specific words in your videos so that they can find your videos. So the more specific, the better. So your content of your videos are going to be educational in nature. They're going to be how-to videos, but you can share it in words like this. You can share it as meditations or visualizations, any way that you want, but you're giving them specific information that they can really use and consume. So how do you know what to give them? Tip number 3. Let me go over this. Tip number 1 is the setup, exactly what you need, the phone and the lighting. Tip number 2 is make educational videos. Tip number 3 is how do you know what they need? Here's where you really want to write this down if you haven't been writing notes at all. Think of your niche, your target audience, and ask yourself these questions. What do they crave, need, struggle with? What are their pains? And when you answer that, you should have a long list of things. That long list is your set of videos. Right there. Whatever you wrote down. So in my list is my clients are needing how to attract clients. They're needing how to get their word out, how to get the message out. So do you see how each one of those are topics for videos? And that's just 3 right off the top of my head. And how long should a video be? You're going to hear different opinions on that. I think when you're just starting out and you don't want to overwhelm yourself, make them 3 to 5 minutes. Educational videos can be longer, making sure that it's really good content and you sound interesting, not boring. Don't talk too slow. Don't talk too fast where they can't understand. Have a good tone, have a good pace. Change up the pace, maybe sometimes make it faster. And then sometimes make it slower so they pay attention or lean in. Little tricks. But make your information interesting and valuable and helpful. Let's see. The next tip is be engaged by being consistent. So don't do one video and then do another one a month later. People need to hear consistently from you, otherwise they forget you. When they hear consistently, they count on you. Oh, there's the coach that's doing this, and they actually look forward to it. You don't want them to forget you, and you want to give consistent, valuable information to them and keep them engaged. A great thing that you can do on videos, and I'll show this to you in the next video, is engage them with questions. I already gave you some questions in the beginning, and you can use questions throughout. And I'll ask you a question right now. I gave you about 4 or 5 points already. Which one was already helpful for you? And write that in there, because I want to know what is helping you, or something maybe I want to expand on because I see that, oh, this is something I need. Or if you haven't gotten that information yet on this video, write down what you'd really like to know about making videos that would help you. See, there's a question, and it's engagement. And engagement is good. It gets people involved, and it also helps you know what to give your audience in the future. And I've already said this, but I'm going to say it again. When you start making videos, test, 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 meaning when you're finished, replay it, see where you might want to edit or not, make sure the volume was good, you're looking in the right direction. Just starting out, always testing. That's really important. Now, the last thing is, why do video? Well, I think I already mentioned that the 2 top ways that people are looking for information is YouTube and Google. So why not you be on YouTube, where people are seeking information and they find you? That's a way for you to position yourself as an authority in this particular topic, and people will find you. And it's a way to build your list, because when you start creating a gift that they can use, or you have a Facebook group that they can join, you start building your list, building your tribe, and that's how you start building your 6-figure income. So another thing with YouTube videos that is really great is you can repurpose them. You'll have them on YouTube. You can post them on your Facebook post in your groups. You can send them as a blog in your blogs and put the video in your blogs for your email list. So you can repurpose this in many ways. They will serve you in so many ways. I have a video Now, one of my videos that I put on, I don't know, about 5-6 years ago has over 20 or 30,000 views. That's just one. So over time, you're still getting more and more clients just by it sitting there and you're doing nothing. And the last thing is doing YouTube videos, free advertising. How many places can you get free advertising? So, if I haven't convinced you that doing YouTube is a great thing for you, I don't know what else to say. And hopefully I made it simple for you to at least get started. I would love to hear your comments. If you love this video, please subscribe. And the next video that I have, you can click the link under here. I put the link about what to say. It's the script formula of what to say, because people get tongue-tied, like, what do I say first? What do I say second? I'm going to show you exactly that in that video, so click that link to get that. Also, I have a link to my private Facebook group. If you are a soulful, sassy entrepreneur who wants to build a prosperous practice, I have the link to that as well. So I would love to hear your comments, your likes, clicks, comments, subscribe. We want to engage people to help you build your business. Love to hear from you. And hopefully this was helpful to you. See you next time.